Mint Mobile versus Boost Mobile. So which low cost carrier gives more value? Let's look into the area. So Mint Mobile, as you know, operates on T-Mobile's network and it offers 5G coverage, especially in urban and suburban areas. Whereas Boost Mobile uses Dish Wireless Network as its primary source, with secondary coverage from T-Mobile and AT&T. So this hybrid approach aims to provide a broader coverage, but network performance can vary depending on location on Boost. Okay, and Mint Mobile offers budget-friendly prepaid plans, whereas Boost provides a wide range of prepaid plans as well, but these plans include ultimate data options, varying speed limits, and do not require a contract, so it has some flexibility to users. So when we look into these two platforms here, so you can go for Mint Mobile. Okay, if you seek affordable plans and are comfortable with the prepaid structure, and your primarily use is in urban and suburban areas with strong T-Mobile coverage, and you don't need like extensive perks like streaming services and those things. But you can choose Boost Mobile, okay, if you need a more extensive range of features like high speed hotspot, streaming devices, streaming services, international roaming, and also the flexibility of postpaid plans with monthly billing, and also um, these Boost Mobile offers like offers like streaming services in 1080p or 4K streaming. It offers that, and international roamings as well, and in-flight services available on higher tier plans on Boost Mobile. And so if you need the benefits of all these, then you can go with Boost Mobile. But other than that, Mint will be the budget option for you if you're just concerned on the budget. And that's basically pretty much it is.